Hello everybody, this is my guide on how to use controller on Spider-Man 2 for the PC. Try not to skip any steps. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go into Steam, Settings, go down to Controller, and this will change depending on what kind of controller that you have installed. But basically, you want to go down and click on Xbox Extended Feature Support Driver and install it. And also, and see if that works. Now, after you've done that, you want to go into Device Manager. And here you're going to see Human Interface Devices. It should be under here, but if it's an Xbox controller, it might be under Xbox Peripherals. But find your controller here, right click on it and say Update Device. Okay, now if you're using a PS3 or a PS4 controller, I would recommend an external software. ds4-windows.com, or you could just Google DS4 Windows, is a software that allows you to connect PS3 and PS4 controllers to Steam very easily. It is completely free, so I recommend it. Now, after you've done that, other things I would recommend: unplug every other controller except the one that you're using. If your controller is wireless, I recommend connecting it with a USB cable. And also, I would recommend going into Settings on Steam, going to Controller. On here, it should be up there. Disconnect it, then unplug it from your computer for 30 seconds, reconnect it, allow Windows to install the drivers, and then see if it works in Steam. Okay, that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much.